Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to upgrade an existing Angular project to Angular 22. Before starting, let's make sure our current work is committed and check the project status. And this is done by writing git status. After that, we'll verify that we're using a compatible Node.js version by checking Node version, either Node 22 or Node 26. Now we have v26.22.0. Once that's ready, we can begin the upgrade. Next, let's open the package.json file and review the project's current Angular dependencies. This will help us identify the versions we're starting from before we begin the upgrade. Now we're ready to start the upgrade. Using the Angular CLI, we run the ng-update command for Angular core and Angular CLI. This command checks the current versions and applies the required updates and migrations for the new Angular version. The update process is now running. Angular is checking the project dependencies, downloading the required packages, and applying the necessary migrations. This step can take a little time, so we'll wait a while for the process to complete. The Angular CLI has detected the current project version and is now fetching the required package information. It checks the dependencies and prepares the project for the update. Angular is now updating the project dependencies and applying the required package changes. Once the installation is complete, we'll verify the result. The migration process is now applying the required changes across the project. Angular is updating configuration and source files, while also applying migrations for things like HTTP client, changes, hydration, etc. Finally, Angular shows the optional migrations available for the CLI update. At this point, we need to commit the changes created by the Angular and CLI update. After staging the files, we create a commit for the Angular 22 upgrade and then push the changes to the main branch. Before continuing, let's make sure all the Angular libraries are up to date and verify that the project is using the required TypeScript version, which is TypeScript 6. This ensures our dependencies are compatible with Angular 22. Next, we'll clean the project by removing the existing package log file and the node modules directory. This allows us to perform a completely fresh dependency installation using the updated Angular configuration. Now we reinstall all of the project dependencies with npm install using the updated package configuration. npm may display some warnings about deprecated packages or dependencies. These messages don't necessarily mean the installation has failed. So we'll let the process finish and then check whether the project installs successfully. The installation has now completed successfully. At this point, our project is using the updated package configuration, so we can move on to the next step and verify that everything is working correctly. Finally, you can check your project for any outdated libraries and review whether additional updates are available. And that's it for this Angular 22 upgrade guide. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next one.